and welcome to a new vlog. It's a travel day because we are headed to Europe today, and I am both very excited and somewhat anxious because first of all, I get general travel anxiety. I don't relax till I'm sitting on the plane. And second of all, this is our first flight with Milo, who is now 10 months and just started taking his first official steps yesterday, although he's been like trying. You know how it just takes forever and then all of a sudden like they get it. And he's very mobile, and I don't know how this is gonna go. It's our first flight, and it's going straight to a long haul with a layover because there's no direct flights to Hamburg, which is where we are going. Fingers crossed, wish us luck, but until we leave for the airport, there are still a few things that I really need to do. One is I need to nip out to the Apple store because I lost one of my AirPods. This is the second time this has happened. It's somewhere in our apartment and I cannot find it because it's dead. And as much as I've used the Find My function to like make a noise to find my AirPod case, the AirPod itself I think is dead, so it won't make a noise. So maybe one day I will come back across it. Milo likes to play with the case and sometimes drops it. I think it like flew out to somewhere undetermined. So I need to go do that, and maybe I'll also get some AirTags because I recently left my purse in a shop and then had to go all the way back in Connecticut, and luckily they still had it, but I didn't know where it was. I have such mom brain, or maybe it's just that I'm doing too many things, and so I have these like blackout periods where I can't even retrace my steps. So I might get some AirTags just to put on like my carry-on bag and things like that in case I decide to somehow leave it at the airport without thinking about putting it down. And then I also may get some levain cookies for our family who we're staying with in Germany. I just really want them to experience the best cookie that New York City has to offer. They're my favorite. So I think they will last at least 24 hours in a tin. So I think I'll go do that. So quickly, I'm gonna get changed out of my comfies. I just had a work call. And then I will see you guys in Williamsburg, which you may or may not be sick of at this point. I know I've been there a lot this month, but it's the closest Apple store that also has a levain around the corner. Very niche requirement, so let's go. AirPod has been replaced. We got the AirTags. I have all the instructions, and now we are headed around the corner for the real main event, which is cookies. I am in the bedroom because I'm about to start packing. The next couple of vlogs that you see will not be in the United States, and I'm really excited. Euro summer. I'm so ready for a vacation. And part of it will be a family trip, part of it will be a full-on tourist excursion. But for both, I need to put together some outfits, so I thought I would take this moment to thank today's sponsor, which is Quince. You guys know I love my Quince essentials. They are such nice quality for the price point, and I have 3 new pieces that I thought I would try to work into my summer vacation wardrobe. So let's try them on and see how they all work together. I'm envisioning a full outfit. So let me show you what I picked up. The piece I am most excited about is this midi-length cotton cashmere brown dress. Let's try it on. This is the dress. I love how effortless it looks, but still put together, and it's so comfortable because the fabric is super stretchy and it just kind of hugs your body. I pictured this outfit with these platform sandals. You guys always love when I wear a chunky sandal, and these ones are beautiful. They're the Italian leather platform sandals in this deep brown color. And I feel like they just instantly dress up this outfit. And to round it out is this woven leather tote in a black color. It's the perfect size carry-all tote to take you from the airport to walking around town to even having a beach day, because you can just chuck in so many different things and it'll hold it all. And I also love that it has a zip pocket for your most essential items. One of the reasons I keep coming back to Quince is because their essentials are such high quality. They work with top tier manufacturers to cut out those traditional retail markups. Let me show you the entire look. This is the full fit. If you're also looking to refresh your summer wardrobe or you're shopping for a summer trip, then check out Quince. You can use my QR code or the link in the description, and I have linked all the pieces for this whole outfit in the description box if you love any of them and might want to pick them up. They offer free shipping and 365-day returns, so they make it super easy to shop. I am now going to continue packing our suitcases, and then I need to figure out what is going into this airport bag. We are ready. Makeup is off because I hate flying overnight with makeup on. Bags are air tagged, all of them. Got some toiletries in here. I've got a sweater, baby stuff, lots of things, diapers, the carrier in case they take our stroller and check it. So it's full. It fits so much. Let's go to the airport. Made it through security, and now all that's left, plain snacks, right? Made it to Zurich, 5 stars for the airport, so much nicer than the JFK terminal we came from. And now we are headed to our gate for Hamburg. morning. I just wanted to properly sign off this travel vlog because honestly by the time we got to the airport we were just a tad delulu from the long travel day and the lack of sleep. So I hope that you enjoyed a little look inside what it's like traveling with two kiddos on a long haul and a connecting flight, and got some inspo for packing for your next vacation. As always, I've left everything linked down below, and if you didn't know, I'm on ShopMy, so you should check out my profile. I leave all my links there for easy access. Even if you don't remember which video something was on, you can always look there. And they have a brand new shopper app, which makes it super easy to find and save all the little items that I share with you guys throughout all the videos, whether on YouTube or on Instagram. So I hope that's helpful. I'll leave a link to download it in the description box. But for now, we woke up in a bunker, and more on that in our next vlog, which will be a Germany vlog. So I will see you guys over there. Thanks again to Quince for sponsoring this video. If you haven't yet, please make sure you like and subscribe and follow us for usually NYC content. But right now we are in our Euro trip era, so come back. Bye!